Hello guys! This video is a request from a subscriber on how to do one-page scrolling site. Yeah, we can call it that. I already working on things like this before, but when I want to create this video, I do some research and I found the better way, and I think it's the best one so far. And what's more? It's working for any XML code, not only for React specific. The code is easy. So if you just want to know, you can just watch this and apply it on your site. But we will start the tutorial from the previous code about how to create React Bootstrap navbar, so we won't have to create the boilerplate again. If you need the code, I give the link in the video description below with the video tutorial link too. So, let's start. This is our previous code. Just open app.js and app.css because we just need these two files, and I will close this for space. First, I want to tell you something so you don't confuse if you haven't watched this video before. We have div class name content, and the content is just like this. Basically, I use the class content just for scrolling purpose. I give the height 3000. You can see it here. Because you already know this, we can really start now. First, we will use normal anchor to jump. Then we will modify it so it will work as we want. As you can see, we have logo, we have product, blog, about us, contact us. To make it easy, we will just make home and blog. The home link, we will use the logo. Let's do this. Let's create another one, and we can give it ID home and ID blog. And I think 3000 is too much for the height. Let's change it to 2000 maybe. Just a little difference, but better. So we can scroll this and see this is content. Okay, we need to differentiate this by this is a blog. If we try to click the block right now, we can see it's already jumped to the position, but our content is blocked by our navigation. So this is the problem that we want to solve. And right now we don't have the link on the logo, so we will add this first. Get back to the code, and because we just want to use one page site and very simple one, we don't need React router for this. We can just use normal HTML. So href home. Just like that. Let's click logo. See, this one also blocked by the navigation when we start pressing. But it's good to know that we can jump around. Okay, now we know we must give some offset to the content, right? So it will jump to the right place. And how to do that? This is what I found on the internet, and it's pretty good and pretty simple. So we can just add anchor, and we will use the ID home right here. Let's do the same for the blog. Okay, it's still the same, right? And of course, it's because we just moved the anchor inside. It's just a little different. The difference is 12 pixels because of the padding. So we want to make it normal. We can just adjust this one. So we need to style this as our offset because now this is our point. I will create class name and curve. We will style this as our offset. So we can add the CSS and curve. So we need the display to be block. I think this is the default, but it's okay to write this. And we don't want it to appear on the side just in case. So we do visibility hidden. And last thing is our offset. How much we need to move so it will work normally. We can see at our HTML, open the console, developer console, and you can choose your navigation bar. You can see right here, the height is 66. So we can just put top minus 66. It won't work great, but I will tell you later after this. Let's see the result. So let's scroll up first. And let's say we want to go to the blog. Okay, pretty nice, right? Go to logo and blog. It's jumped on the right place. But it's still not pretty good because we have padding right here. So we need to add it to our offset. So 66 plus 12. 78. Now it will become pretty good. See? Let's add more on about us and contact us. We can't add the href on nav dropdown because it's filtered by this tree. So if you want to do product link, remove this and use the nav link instead of nav dropdown title. Okay, let's copy about us and contact us. Let's see. Okay, it's pretty good, right? So, is it done? Yes, if you want. But I have additional bonus for you, but I don't recommend you to use this actually. You can see that it's jump around, right? Some people like smooth scrolling better, so I will add this as the content. It's pretty easy, and I don't want to use JavaScript for this. There's so much solution for JavaScript scrolling you can see on the internet. On CSS, we can just use this. HTML, smooth, scroll behavior, smooth. Done. And it doesn't work. Why? It's because I'm using Google Chrome, and on Google Chrome, we must enable smooth scrolling first. By the way, it's not Google Chrome fault too, because there's so many users complain about it. So I don't know who's at fault. Because the performance cost is heavy, but I don't feel it on my computer, or is it because the content is too small? I don't know. Anyway, you can see the complaint on the site below. And how to turn on the smooth scrolling on Google Chrome? It's pretty easy actually. We can just open a new tab and Chrome. flex and search for smooth scrolling. Let's enable it, and it's asked us to relaunch. Let's do this. Okay, now it will working great. See? It's scrolling. Okay, I agree that the performance cost is great because when I tried yesterday, it's not laggy at all because I'm not recording. But just because I'm recording, it lags a little bit. So yeah, I don't think you want to use this, but it's a bonus. Anyway, that's it. I hope this is answer your question, and also it's useful for other people too. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya!